Okay, morning students. So how are you? I think you are fine. So today again I am back with the next video in our online class. So we have started. If you are watching the video regularly, we have started the next chapter, that is disease. And in the study video, we have discussed about some of the types of disease. Basically, okay, disease they are classified into two types on the basis of transmission. So communicable and okay, so communicable and non-communicable. So in yesterday video we have also discussed about what is communicable, what is non-communicable. Okay, how the disease transfer from person to person, that is mode of transmission. Okay, and the types. Okay, the types of disease, whether it is chronic, okay, it is serious or not. So we have compared between the communicable and non-communicable disease. So students, today we'll discuss on the same topic, that is disease. So preventing measure of communicable disease. So we'll discuss on preventing measure of communicable disease. What are the some of the common way? Okay, what are the some common way how we can prevent communicable disease? So communicable disease are infectious. They are caused due to the transfer of germs from an unhealthy person, animals, or soil to a normal person. So communicable disease, it is the disease which is transfer. Okay, there is the transformation of germs from unhealthy person. That means who is already suffering from that disease. Okay, now through the different way the germs, okay, they transfer from unhealthy person, also sometimes from the animals, okay, sometimes from the soil to normal person, and that normal person also becomes unhealthy. So various method can be applied to block the transmission. So to be healthy, to stay healthy, what happens, we should stop the germs to enter inside our body, to transfer inside our body. So there are different methods which can be applied to block the transfer of such disease from their prevention. So we'll discuss on the same topic, that is some of the preventing measure, okay, some of the preventing basic measure which we can do in order to stop the transmission for the communicable disease. So the first way of preventing from communicable disease is using of safe water. Okay, using of safe water. So water is the main source of infection for many disease. Okay, many communicable disease they are transferred through the means of water. Why? Because we consume water in a regular basis. It is also one of the important components uh, for our body to live. Now if we consume impure water or infected water from the germs, what happens, the germs easily can enter in our body. So what is the main source of infection of many disease? Okay, drinking impure water is the main cause of occurrence of disease in the rural Nepal. Generally in the rural place, what happens, they have no good facility of drinking water, and what happens, they go on consuming, okay, impure water, okay, the water which is not healthy, and that also leads to spread communicable disease. So that is also one of the way how communicable disease spread easily, quickly. Okay, many people are infected. So diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, and jaundice are transmitted by the impure water. There are some of the common communicable disease which can easily transmit by consuming impure water. So they are diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, okay, typhoid, and also jaundice are transmitted by impure water. People defect near the source of water and infect the water. What means, releasing waste from the body. Okay, not using proper toilet, not using proper place for disposal of waste. And what happens in this way, if people defect, their waste near the source of the water. Through that waste, what happens, that goes and mix in the water, and overall the water is polluted. Animals take bath in the source of water and pollutes it. In cities too, poor drainage system is the main factor of water pollution. Not only people, animals go and bath there. Okay, in the cities, not only in the rural area, lack of education, lack of poverty, because of poverty, okay, there is the cause of water pollution, the water gets infected. But in the cities too, poor drainage system is the main factor of water pollution. When water pipes and drainage pipes are kept together, that means the supply of drinking water and the supply of waste materials, when they are kept together, they are close to each other, the supply is done from the same place, the drainage pipes are kept together, leakage allowed transfer of water from one another. Now in case if that is done in a proper way, okay, nothing will happen. But in case that is not maintained, okay, there is a leakage in the drainage pipe or in the water supply pipe, what happens, they mix with each other. This cause water pipes to be infected. Now when the drainage waste pipe that mix with the water supply pipe, what happens, the drinking water, the water is infected, the water gets polluted. We must use only safe water for drinking. We have to drink adequate amount of water, but that must be pure. So not only drinking, that is enough, what we are drinking, that also plays the vital role. So while drinking, the water should be pure, that should be healthy. We should also drink plenty amount of water, but we should drink pure water. If the water is impure, we have to apply various method of purification. Now in some case, if the water is impure, there are different method for the purification of water. We should apply that, then only we should drink that. Water can be purified through boiling. If you boil, what happens, boiling also kills the germs in it, and that becomes pure. By filtration, using a filter, okay, by using the method filtration or use of filter, in that way also we can purify the water. By using chemicals or so, this process is also effective for the purification of water. People should not defect near the source of water, so people should use toilet must be built far away from the source of the water. Why? Because if the toilet is close to the source of water, the waste from the body that may mix to the source of water and the water gets polluted. So students, first first method in order to prevent from communicable disease, okay, that is drinking safe water. Why? Because water is also one of the medium which can transmit, okay, which can transform from the germs from unhealthy person or the to the healthy person. That means through the water also the germs can easily be transmitted, and a healthy person will start suffering from communicable disease. So about the next other topic we'll discuss in the upcoming video. Okay students,